Hey guys, this is Joan of Arc. I'm here at Tom and Tom's, the second floor, and from this vantage point we could see the scenery. Like behind me there's traffic jam because there's flood Lacson Street. We've been there earlier and I will show you footages of the Baha. Baha is flood in English. And a lot of repair works were done already to fix the flooding, and still it's flooding here at Lacson. Well, not all the time, but when the element is right, it's just flooding. Baha. And people wading through the waters, it's called luso or bobo. So they just do that in spite of the health risks, which is not good. That's dangerous, mag-ubog ka, like wading through the waters. That's dirty water. Look at all the people, they're stranded. Basta delikado. Yeah, mabasa sila.
Sino?
Sila naubog sa tubig. Sino? Ina sila So the reason why I'm here right now, because it was really impossible to go on, especially I was running out of fuel. Kaya paubos na akong gasolina. Ubos, meaning running out. Fully consumed. I'm almost running empty, so I have to have somewhere to park and stuff. So still there's no movement. My car is down there. That's it. That's my car. So I have no choice but to stop. And luckily enough, there was one parking slot. I think it was for me. So I think that's the way to Robinson's, and that is usually a problem area when it comes to flooding. And you can see everybody just walking instead of taking transportation. And right in front of me is the funeral parlor, and it's also flooded. Nobody can get in. And there's a restaurant there, also flooded. Baha, ginbahaan or ginabahaan, currently flooded. So when you say it's ginabahaan, it's currently being flooded. So as you can see, there's no movement. Wala. Gagiho ang salakyan. Giho is movement. Applicable to any type of movement, bodily movement, and especially now. What we can see moving are people walking instead of taking transportation. It really is that bad. I used to do that, but if I can help it, I will not wade in the waters. Hindi kuya mag-ubog. Hindi ko mag-ubog sa baha. Look at that. There's flood waters and hardly any movement. There's the flood water. I think it's receding. It's going down. Well, you can see everybody walking instead of riding because they're all stuck in traffic. And that's going toward Robinson's. And everybody is stuck in traffic as well. So what the? So we are here now at Tom and Tom's, and my mom over there is feeling cold, so we opt to stay here at the Smoky. I really would like to know what's going on there because I think there's an emergency, and too bad it could not pass through. There's an emergency vehicle. really don't know what's going on there. I hope I could get some news of what's going on.
Oh God. Hindi ko kapati na ari pa din.
Anyway, that's it. And even in the midst of some kind of a disaster, flood is a natural calamity. So you still learn some words in Ilonggo. Well, that's it. That's all for this episode. This is Joan Art. Thanks for watching, and I hope this flood resolves itself soon.
Ang bayad, anong oras ka ni makadto? Kaya mapabano, sige mapag ko. Eh, naipagpil ka to pa.
Oh, look at them. Look at what they're doing. It's dangerous. See, that's dirty water. They forgot about leptos.